Hello, today I'm going to show you my portfolio for LTDE 5317, which is the current topics and learning with technology. So this ended up actually being my initiative learning techniques unit incorporated with my lesson that incorporated gaming. So I ended up doing like number recognition. I'm a kindergarten teacher. So this is our main objective in math is to make sure that the students can read, write, and represent whole numbers from 0 to 20, which incorporates a lot of music, a lot of visuals, a lot of games that the students do, not only in whole group, but in individual. Like I said, we add a lot of songs, which is a song from Jack Hartman. If you do not know who he is, look him up. My students crave this man every day. Like they specifically asked to put him on. And this is the app that we use from our district. It was pushed through our district, so it is Starfall. I mainly use it for math, but when the students have free choice, they go on here and listen to books, and they have like nursery rhymes that the kids will sing in class. It's a really, really good app, and it's also free if you don't have it through your district. So I would take some time to go look at it. Like I said, my main purpose for this unit was numbers 0 through 20. This is more on Starfall for the numbers. The students click the numbers and there's, so much information on each number, songs, read alouds, as well as games where they can actually choose like what numbers matches. And that was my rubric for the lesson, along with my resources, and then some of the other stuff that we created during this class. Like I said, with my lesson gamification, it was actually incorporated with the initiative learning techniques, and then the adaptive tool that we use. Again, I use Starfall just because I really, really like Starfall and it's free. You can't beat free. And when it's free and it has so much possibility, makes it even, greater to use. And then the collaborative collection of adaptive strategies was something else that we used in class, and it's just a bunch of different resources that I found interesting or that I have used throughout the year. So I hope that you enjoy my portfolio and you can use some of the tools that I used. Like I said, Starfall is awesome. So check it out.